You ready?
Hey, how y'all doing today? We just wanted to show y'all our technique here on feeding this wire to the wall for our floating shelf install here.
So this is our bracket, right? This is the bracket you made, Tyler. And this is what's going to hold our shelf up. We've got a hole already in our bracket right here. And so what we got to do, guys, is just get a wire from here and come out this, hopefully this small hole here. Y'all think it's a small, y'all may think it's a big hole, but this is going to work great if it'll work great. But anyway, this is what we're going to try. Tyler, let me show these guys this right here. These are strong magnets. It's called magnapull. You see that? This comes in the kit. It comes in a case. Look at that case right there, Tyler. You see that? Comes in the case. All this stuff fits in there. But anyway, it also come, Tyler, show them your little chain right here.
Oh, yeah.
It also came with this chain. Guys, you can buy this anywhere. This is no big deal here. It just came with it, and we're going to use it. But we're going to try it, aren't we, Ty? See if we can get that in and drop it down and catch a magnet and pull it through here.
Heck yeah,
We're going to try it. Now, we got 2 magnets to try, but we're going to try and see if this will go through like that. Ooh, if that goes down, and we've lost it. We've got a whole other thing. But anyway, we're going to try to just drop this chain down there, aren't we, Ty?
Heck yeah.
But hey, this may not be heavy enough without a weight here. So I don't know, Ty. If I can get it shoved in. Hey, let me use this screwdriver right here. You know what I mean? I need a bigger screwdriver. If I can shove a bunch through, Tyler, I can't seem to get it. I can't seem to get it pushed through. We're gonna have to, oh, let me try something else over here. Try this little drill bit. Hey, I could probably use that spade bit. All right, push through, push through, push through. Tyler, did we tell them we're lucky that this wall does not have insulation in it?
Very fortunate there.
See, Tyler, I'm hoping in a minute this chain's going to take over and it's just going to start falling.
Oh yeah.
It's going. Come on. It's going. Now, if I can just pick up that magnet.
Did it catch?
Did you hear it?
Yeah, I think I saw it wiggling a little bit, the magnet. Oh, no.
Not yet. Ooh. Hey, tell them why this hole looks so gnarly right here. I started drilling right here.
Yeah, and then we ran into some X-bracing.
Big old 2x4 X-brace comes right down through here. And I'm like, nah. Okay, Ty. We're down there. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, I feel it. Come on. Come on. I feel it, Ty. Oh, look.
Haha! Let's go.
Look at there, Ty.
Pretty sweet.
Success. So the magnapull, now we could have tried this little guy. Let's see if it'll pick up that chain in the wall with this.
Oh yeah.
I bet it don't. Okay guys, so there's a piece of 3/4, it's an older house, right? Older farmhouse. This is like that old Celotex, I don't know even what you call it. Old school stuff right here. People would put it on and then put wallpaper over it. 3/4 inch tongue and groove on both sides of all the walls. It's crazy. But let's see, Tyler, if this will, nope. Okay, see, it's not finding that chain this way. So it wall's too thick is what I'm getting at.
Oh yeah, those are some
You know,
strong
that.
magnets.
But at any rate, guys, we got a couple of more things to do. I just wanted to bring y'all along for this wire pull thing. Well, we hadn't pulled the wire, but this is half the battle right here. So I'm excited.
Heck yeah.
Tyler, I think we can go ahead. We'll put the bracket up. We'll put this through that hole. Don't you think?
Let's do it.
We can go ahead. Oh, we got our work cut out for us, don't we? Okay. All right, guys. We will see you in just a few minutes. All right, guys. Look, so when I left you guys earlier, we was getting this wire. Look right here, guys. I got it pulled through into the shelf, and it comes down out right there. Oh my goodness, guys, that magnapull, get right to it, was to catch me out. But look, so we just did some quick assembly and whatnot. But now look, we're doing our wire management. Tyler's getting that all dialed in. So look at the printer. I kept telling you guys, look at what we're going to do with the printer, and it pulls out the side. Look at, oh man, they're going to love that. Shredder, modem. He's getting all the wires. We've got to get this wire management dealt with. Yeah. And we'll get it.
Yeah.
We've got a little more to do on that, but we'll get that part. And it won't be long. We'll be bringing a top in here. Oh, we got to put this light in. I kind of wish it was in now. If we put it in, Tyler, we'd do the wave thing. That's all right. All right, guys. So we're going to do just a little more. What are we using, Tyler? Just these little guys right here. I like these little guys right here. That and a screw. Pull these wires up. Hey, when we get all through, this is going to be so clean looking under here. But at any rate, guys, so maybe when we bring that top in here, I'll hook it back up with you guys. All right. Ready? Hoo-wee. We're ready for his top, aren't we, Laura Lee?
Yes, we are. Look at that.
Wow.
A lot of work goes into that top.
I know. You did a good job standing.
Thanks. And beautiful yard. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love that mantle. That was fun staining back in the day.
Okay. Back up just a little bit. No, just back up. Can you change hands?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I'm gonna set it here. Okay.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Check it out.
Beautiful.
Hey, that's not bad, is it?
That's so pretty. Good job, guys.
Yeah, we just kind of line it up, square it up, make sure everything's good. Yeah. So, all right. We're almost done, guys. Look, keyboard thing, that's already good to go. Most of that got buttoned up pretty good underneath there. We got to feed. You want to feed them through? Tyler's going to feed some stuff through. It needs to come up on top. Monitor sitting back there. You got another one? One more. One more.
The grommets are neat.
All right. All right, guys. Hey, we got this light hooked up. You know, the old wavy thing that we like to do. Ooh, I know that was so funny. That one anyway. All right, so got our little chair there. But at any rate, so Tyler, we'll get this screwed down. We'll get our monitor set. We've got a scanner. It'll probably set. I don't know where do you think she'll set that, Tyler?
Well, that
Put
looks
it
good.
there. We got a calculator. She may set it there. All right, guys, we're gonna finish getting this thing set up. And I'm gonna bring you back for the final. We're gonna clean everything up. We got speakers to hook up too. Tyler does. I just stand back watching. So at any rate, all right, get busy. All right, see y'all.
God bless.
All right, guys. Golly, we just wrapped this thing up. Man, this has been one labor of love. This, I can't believe we've been here, like 6 hours just to put this in, guys. Oh my gosh, all these components. Anyway, it is what it is. We don't care how long it takes, as long as it looks right and everything operates right. Tyler, look, I'm gonna show these. These are hanging files, 2 drawers here. Hanging files, we like that. Tyler, what you got over here?
So we got not this drawer.
Not that drawer.
This is a drawer.
But look at that, pulls out. Isn't that cool?
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. And
then
then,
not this
another,
drawer.
not that
But this
drawer. That's so funny. That's just a drawer in the top.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And we got pencil drawer.
Pencil drawer there for all the little goodies, isn't it?
We got paper shredder. Our modem back here. All these wires tucked up nicely. Got them tucked back where nothing's catching on anything. Our keyboard pull out.
Ooh-wee. Check that out. Yeah. Well-
Shelf all the way up.
It worked out, didn't it?
Heck
What do
yeah.
you think, Ty, the height of that shelf? You think it's okay? You think she's gonna like it?
40 feet.
I think it worked out fine. She's got room right here if she wanted to do a bigger monitor.
Oh yeah.
You know, if her vision ever goes south like mine has, you know, she needs something bigger so she can see. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But anyway. All right, and then this is her little office chair, right? And oh my goodness, me and Laurel didn't take this into consideration, but this thing just barely goes in, but it goes, right?
There you go.
And our floor's a little bit out. She's a rocker a little bit, isn't it?
The floor is very unloaded.
Yeah, the floors. Yeah, but it's.
You made it work. It's
This
all
is
good.
good.
a farmhouse that's been around for a long time.
Oh, this is a farmhouse, and we've gone through this whole thing, man. Ooh-wee. Several weeks out here, but this has been one of the coolest projects I've ever worked. This house, and then we get to do this. We get to build a bridge. We get to do all kind. See, that's a cool thing, Ty. He knows it. He tells me that we get, or you do too, Laurel.
Yes.
We get to do this stuff for these folks. God, we love it. All right, so, I just want to take you guys. So she chose these handles for a reason. Oh, and she chose this paint color for a reason too, didn't she?
She
We
did.
showed them that in the shop, this paint.
That's
Just
right.
the kind of paint. But we didn't tell them about the color. It's just white. But the cool thing is, see, we built this 3 years ago. It's the same paint. Not just, no, literally the same paint. Oh, it's super cool. And then the handles, she's got the same handles up here for this pull out. We made that custom thing, but at any rate, it just ties it all together. And my goodness, man, this place has been so cool to work on.
One of my favorite.
Yeah, it's a cool
windows.
picture window, isn't it?
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's super cool. Well, okay, guys. Tyler, you got anything else you want to add?
God bless y'all.
Yeah.
I
God bless.
know,
That's
I
right.
know. So that's going to wrap this custom office desk build that we've been working on for I don't know how many videos we put out. Anyway. So what's next? What are we going to video next?
I'm not sure. Got lots of options.
Oh, we got tons coming up, don't we, Tyler?
Oh, yeah.
So we will find the next cooler project. It won't be long.
It won't be long now.
I'm not gonna say it. It won't be long now. All right, guys, we're gonna go. So we'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
Peace.